Hi, my name is Jederick Pedrosillo. I'm a college student currently taking mechanical engineering at Mapua Institute of Technology. This video is a response to Professor Salita Mansod's last lecture. The main point of Professor Salita Mansod wanted to get across in her last lecture was that if we want a change for our country, we should not wait for the right moment. Rather, make the moment the right one. Uh, we can't deny that most of our country's problems are due to the lack of skilled workers. An example would be our doctors who are working in Saudi Arabia or our architects who are working in Singapore. If they have work here in the Philippines instead, the country and the workers would have benefited the situation. Uh, if Filipino doctors were to work here, first most of them are guaranteed to be to are guaranteed that they will work as doctors once they are accepted, once they apply and get accepted in hospitals. Second, they are closer to their families, thereby lessening the chance, if not eliminating the chance of poor performance due to homesickness. Third and last, they are more with their environment. Therefore, they will probably be more comfortable with their work, as there is little language barrier and there are more attuned with the people and the places they see. On the other hand, most workers go to other countries to work because of higher salary, which they used to give their family in the Philippines a better life. Uh, as I have said, as I have mentioned earlier, uh, don't wait for the perfect moment. Seize the opportunity to make the moment perfect. We Filipinos have a habit of continuously complaining about problems in society, yet we do not do anything ourselves to change or solve that problem. Thus, as a Filipino citizen and in line with Professor Monson's last lecture, uh, I strongly pledge that I will study hard so that when I graduate from mechanical engineering, I can help, I can and will use the knowledge to help and share to help and share it to my fellow citizens, and even make small things count, like garbage in its proper disposal. In that simple way, I can be a great help not only to my country but also to my fellow citizens. If we want change, we should stop complaining, but rather we should find those solutions ourselves, because change starts in each and every one of us. That's all.